If you're running a technology business and trying to get the word out about your products or services, you'll feel as if you are yelling in a noisy and packed fish market. There are many other competitors and everyone's trying to get the attention of clients. So, how do you stand out in such a crowded space? That's right, a culture of content. For potential clients to notice your business on the internet and social media platforms, you need to grab their attention with original and compelling content. This is why building a strong culture of content is the best competitive edge for success in digital marketing today. But what is a culture of content, I hear you ask? Simply put, it's where content is the lifeblood of an organization's success. This culture prizes, celebrates, and encourages content creation from all stakeholders. The kinds of content your team can make includes YouTube videos, blogs, podcasts, anything that gets their creative juices flowing. As long as the created content is original, intriguing, and attention-grabbing, it doesn't matter which department or staff came up with it. A culture of content is an all-hands-on-deck approach that harnesses the creativity of the entire human resource capital in the company, instead of relying on a single department. To foster a culture of content, an open-minded attitude and tolerance for risk and failure is critical. Creative content should be celebrated, but duds should not be castigated. By fostering an encouraging environment, people will be more willing to experiment with new ideas instead of playing it safe with stale, tried and tested formulas that do not capture the imagination. Management must lead the way. Even better, designate a chief content officer to signal the importance of content to the organization's success, and provide resources to help him or her harness the creative potential of the organization's entire human resource capital. If your tech business is involved in artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, or software as a service or SaaS, then your sector is full of competitors often offering similar products and services. A culture of content is what will give your company an edge over the rest, and it's important to invest in this culture.